I never thought this recipe could be made like this. Simple and easy. I have 500 grams of minced meat here. And then I'm going to add an egg, a chopped onion, and I'll also add 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and a teaspoon of paprika. Now we're going to mix the meat very well to blend the ingredients. And I'm going to stir until the meat binds together and looks like this. More of a paste. Next, I'm going to line this meat board with plastic wrap. And then gradually place the minced meat on top. Once that's done, press it down with your hands and spread it out until it's a thinner dough. I made it in this rectangular shape. Now just add 200 grams of grated mozzarella cheese on top. And tell me which city you're watching us from, because I'd like to send you a big hug. Spread evenly until the minced meat is covered. Once you've done that, roll it up like a roulade. Roll it up and squeeze it to make it firm. Once this is done, put it in the freezer for an hour and 30 minutes. After this time, let's unwrap the meat. And now I'm going to cut it into slices, like this, about 1.5 centimeters apart. We'll roll the slices in wheat flour. Once that's done, place a cup of wheat flour in a bowl. Add an egg. Add salt to taste. A teaspoon of paprika and mix. Then I'll add 200 milliliters of milk and add it little by little. I'll stir until the flour is completely dissolved. Once this is done, we'll coat the meat in this batter and then fry it in hot oil in a frying pan. Let it brown well on one side and then turn it over to fry the other side. That's it, it's well fried, and now let's take it out. Just fry the rest and then it's ready to be served. Look how delicious it turned out. It tastes amazing. It's mouth-watering, look at it. My loves, I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.